Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. I'm going to give you another complex formula which I discussed while doing summary 1. We were doing the summary 1 using SUMIFS formula. What if we have our data like this? Instead of everything in column, our date or our month is on the top, and we want to create a summary out of it. I just created a copy of data and just moved this a bit because sometimes we do get data which has many criterias here but also here. In this case, we want to create the summary. I copied this tab, and that's why it's giving me error because the data is now replaced. So let's just use this formula again and see what we can get. I just copied this tab here, and these were blanks. I copied this here. These were also blanks. I copied this here, and so on. And we don't want this bold here. This is just for formula we want to use. Now let's say we want to use this data tab to create the output. Now this is no more in just tabular form. This is in a tabular form, but also we have columns here. We can use SUMIFS, which you already know, with a combination of index match, which you already know. So our sum range will be indexed. Our array would be this, all the columns of the months. I'll select all columns, I'll lock, then row number will be nothing, so we'll just do another comma here because rows will be the criteria for SUMIFS, which we'll use later. Matching will be this month, I'll lock row 2. Lookup array will be this, just these months, I'll lock here. Then 0 for exact match, bracket close, bracket close. Now this is our sum range, which is now divided into index match formula. Then we'll go for criteria. Our first criteria will be this, total sales. I'll log this. The criteria is total sales. I'll lock A. Then we have criteria here, criteria range, lock, comma, and criteria with the lock of B and bracket close. Here, let's say I copy paste this here. Then we lost the underline or the border here. You can see. So I'll just copy paste as formula this one here. So in this way it will just copy the formula and won't copy the border because there is no border here. When we copy down here, this border is gone. I'll just copy paste across here. Since we are using index match, this is giving us error for the months which are not there, like this. We can use if error formula. If error formula defines if there is an error, then it will give you a certain output. Let's say it's 0, and that's it. Let's copy paste. Now it is giving us 0 for the boxes where we have an error. Let's copy this down here. Now this is grabbing the data from total costs. Copy paste. Copy paste as this formula. And to do the appearance, I'll just change the color, like maybe this and this. in the same way we can do the check total. This was just to give you an overview of what if we have rows and columns both in our data against which we want a sum and a lookup. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in the next video.